Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat two-factor verification code problem. So first of all, if you have requested the code in your email, make sure that you also check the email spam folder. And at times when your Gmail or email is out of storage or if it's full, you might not be able to receive any additional emails from any platform. So make sure that your Gmail has enough space. Next, what you have to do is head over to Snapchat and select the gear icon. In here, select my account. Select this two-factor authentication. And if the code has been sent to your phone number, what you have to do is make sure the phone number is actually active. Also make sure that the network is stable, as you can see in mine that are showing range of networks. And also make sure that the Wi-Fi is stable. Once you do that, you're going to have to restart your device, try the code again, and it will fix the problem.